How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the 403 forbidden error in Chrome. So basically, the meaning of this error is that the website server understands who you are but refuses to grant access. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate or go through incognito mode. You could press Control, Shift, N, and therefore you want to navigate through the website to see if this specific method works. If not, you want to navigate back to your main screen or your main browser, press Control H, and inside this section, click Delete Browsing Data. In here, you just want to clear the cookies and other data from the website itself. So in my case, I'm just going to delete the last hour of my cookies and other data. Click Delete Data, and once again, see if that fixes the problem. You could also try disabling or basically not using VPN or proxy, and you want to simply disable your extensions and such because it can mess up the connection with the website servers. So those are multiple ways in order for us to fix the problem. And the last thing that I suggest is to flush our DNS cache. So you want to type CMD on your search engines or your search browser. Click the Run as Administrator option on the command prompt application. Click Yes. And then you just want to type the following. First things first, we have IP config space dash flush DNS. Hit on enter. And you actually have to remove the space right here. Hit on enter. And from there, it will then flush the DNS as we can see right here. Next, you want to type the next command, which is going to be netsh winsock reset. Hit on enter once again. And lastly, click exit. Click X once more, restart your Chrome, and from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.